In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create or add products to your site in Squarespace. If you're building an online store or looking to expand your existing Squarespace site, knowing how to add products is a crucial step. Whether you're selling physical items, digital downloads, or services, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish, ensuring your products are well organized, visually appealing, and ready for your audience to discover. Now, if you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. To begin, head over to the Squarespace website and log in. The easiest way to do this is by using the Continue with Google option. This saves time and ensures a seamless connection between your Google account and Squarespace. Just make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, the one you want to pair with your site. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Squarespace dashboard. From the dashboard, locate your website. You'll see it listed there, and all you need to do is click on it. This will open the site editor, which is where the magic happens. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice the main navigation panel. This is your control center for managing your site. Scroll through the options and click on Commerce. This will take you to Squarespace's dedicated tools for managing your online store. From the Commerce menu, select Products. This is your products management area, the central hub for adding new products and managing existing ones on your site. Think of this area as your store's virtual stockroom. It's where everything related to your inventory lives. Once you're in the Products Management area, look for the Add Product button. Click on it to start creating your new product listing. Here's where you'll decide what type of product you want to add. You'll see options for physical items, digital downloads, and services. Choose the one that best fits your product. For example, if you're selling handcrafted jewelry, go with physical item. If you're offering an ebook, select digital download. Picking the right product type is important because it ensures your product is categorized correctly and functions the way you need it to. Next, it's time to name your product. Enter a clear and descriptive product name that will grab attention and tell your customers what the item is all about. A catchy name can make all the difference in standing out and sparking interest. Now, let's add a high-quality image for your product. Upload a photo that accurately represents what you're selling. This is one of the most important steps because images are often the first thing customers notice. Make sure the image is clear, professional, and showcases your product in the best light possible. Once your image is uploaded, click on Next to proceed. This will take you to the pricing section. Here you'll need to enter the price of your product. Be thorough. Include the currency and any additional cost details if applicable. Clear and transparent pricing helps set customer expectations and builds trust. If your product has multiple options like different sizes, colors, or other variations, you'll see an option to add more details. Click on this if needed and specify the variants. Offering these details enhances the shopping experience, giving your customers more choices and making it easier for them to find exactly what they want. When you've finished entering all the necessary product details, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Save drop-down menu. Click on it and from the options provided, select Publish. This final step makes your product live on your Squarespace site, making it visible and accessible to your audience. And that's it. Remember to revisit your products management area regularly to keep your inventory up to date and engaging. Adding new products and refreshing your offerings keeps your store dynamic and encourages repeat visits from customers. So now you know exactly how to add products to your Squarespace site, from logging in to publishing your listings. If you have any questions or want to share ideas for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.